Would you like to know about a crypto market narrative that has the potential to 100 to 1,000 times your portfolio, turning just $11,000 into 100,000 if not $1 million? In this video, I'm going to reveal a crypto market narrative that will outperform the majority of the market this year. I am also going to be showing the best projects in this market narrative to buy right now, and I will be giving you a full guide on when the best time to sell these coins will be. This video will legitimately make millions for the people who watch it the whole way through, start to finish, and take action. So, make sure you watch this entire video. Now just quickly before we get into it, please remember that this content is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any decisions. So, this market narrative is political cryptocurrencies. These went crazy over the past month but have now dipped, with some top coins being down as much as 90% from their all-time highs. This means they are on fire sale and are at really good entries, but why invest in political coins? Well, this is a huge year for politics globally, but especially in America, of course, with the election coming up in November. There will be a massive amount of media attention on this. But this narrative is even stronger in recent times, as crypto has been at the forefront of the political conversation over the past few weeks. After Trump said the following about crypto, but look, Gensler is very much against it, the Democrats are very much against it, and I say this, a lot of people are very much for it, probably a lot of the people in this group, and I'm fine with it. I want to make sure it's good and solid and everything else, but I'm good with it. And if you like crypto in any form, and it comes in a lot of different forms, if you're in favor of crypto, you better vote for Trump. Trump also started accepting crypto for political donations. The timing of this goes perfectly with the SEC's subsequent 180 turn on crypto. The SEC recently approved the Ethereum ETF, which is a huge move for crypto adoption. This went against what people had predicted, as people were expecting it to get delayed at least. But it's clear that crypto is going to be a topic of conversation within politics over the next 6 months. How to make the most money from this narrative. Of course, the coins I give out in this video are easy coins to buy now, and hold until they hit certain price levels, or sell at the time I will tell you about soon. But one way you can make fast profits is by buying newly launched meme coins when they launch. For example, if a viral moment happens at one of the presidential debates, there is a good chance a meme coin relating to it could get made. And if you can be one of the fast early buyers, you can make 5 to 20 times gains within just a few days. So, be sure to keep an eye out for newer, more relevant coins. Either way, you could still make lots of money from the already released coins that I have listed in this video. When are the best times to sell? There are pivotal dates that will be the best times to sell, and these are the two main presidential debate dates, the election day, the result day. I personally think the best time to take profits on this narrative will be mid-October and right before the day of the election, taking the buy the rumor, sell the news route, similar to the Ethereum ETF that pumped on rumors that it would be approved and dumped on the actual confirmation. The market always moves early, so you need to keep this in mind. Alternatively, you could take profits at the price targets I set in this video, or you can set your own take profit targets on these coins. Now, just before I get to the specific coins, I would highly recommend you join my completely free VIP group on Telegram. I always give out really strong plays in there. My most recent one did a 4 times return in 3 days, meaning you could have invested just $1,000 and walked away with over $4,000 in just 3 days. Join through the link in the description or through the pinned comment for the first coin of this video. We have Bowden. Currently, Bowden is priced at 28 cents with a market cap of $194 million. This one is a Solana-based coin. This is one of the safer bets of this narrative and will likely go up when the political conversation trends again. There's not much else to say about it really. All of these coins are meme coins, so it's hard to say specifics. We are just really betting on the narrative as a whole, currently down 4 times from previous all-time highs, and I think it's possible this one touches its previous all-time high, meaning you could make $1,500 in profit from a $500 investment at the current price if it were to hit. Previous all-time highs are next up. We have Conan, currently priced at the number on screen, with a market cap of $9 million. This is an Ethereum coin, and this coin is based on a military dog called Conan. Trump posted a tweet with the dog and said, "American hero." This one is currently down about 4 times from all-time highs. And I think it's feasible it gets back up there again. Meaning you could make $1,500 in profit from a $500 investment at the current price, if it were to hit previous all-time highs next. Up next, we have MAA, currently priced at the number on screen now, with a market cap of $40 million. The coin is on the Ethereum blockchain and is, of course, based on Trump's MAA campaign. This token had a ton of smart money buying at much higher prices than it's currently at, and now looks like a solid entry price. The coin is already listed on multiple big exchanges despite only being 3 days old, which shows that the team likely has good connections. All of the coins in this video will be meme coins, so there's not much utility backing them. They are pretty much all gambles, but meme coins go crazy, so they can't be ignored. What are the potential profits? The coin is currently 2 times down from previous all-time highs, and I think it's very feasible that if it builds momentum, it will break out of all-time highs and hit a total market cap of around $150 to $200 million, which is a 5 times from current prices. You can make around $2,000 in profit from just a $500 investment if the project was to hit the price target we set. The next coin is Patent is currently priced at the number on screen now, with a market cap of $1 million. The coin is on the Ethereum blockchain. This meme coin is based on Trump's first dog. This one has massively dropped from its all-time high, but the team is still active and posting on X, so it looks like a great entry. This one probably got hurt by market conditions, but it's worth a gamble at the current market cap, especially due to the fact it is 10 times down from previous all-time highs. I think you could definitely at least get 5 times when market conditions improve, and this narrative picks back up. You can make around $2,000 to $4,500 in profit from just a $500 investment if the project was to hit the price target we set. Let me know in the comments which of these tokens you think will perform best, and please drop a like on the video. But yesterday, we gave out a coin that I think has the potential to make millionaires, so click the video on screen to learn about this project. Trust me, you do not want to miss this video.